I have a little Budgie. He is my very pal. I take him walks in Britain. I hope I always shall. I call my Budgie Jeffrey. My granddad's name's the same. I call him after Granddad, who had a feathered brain. Some people don't like budgies. The little yellow brats. They eat them up for breakfast or give them to their cats. My uncle ate a budgie. It was so fat and fair. I cried and called him Ronnie. He didn't seem to care. Although his name was Arthur, it didn't mean a thing. He went into a pet shop and ate up everything. The doctors looked inside him to see what they could do, but he had been too greedy and died just like a zoo. My Jeffrey chirps and twitters when I walk into a room. I make him scrambled egg on toast and feed him with a spoon. He sings like other budgies, but only when in trim. But most of all on Sundays, that's when I plug him in. He flies about the room sometimes and sits upon my bed. And if he's really happy, he does it on my head. He's on a diet now, you know, from eating ear too much. They say if he gets fatter, he'll have to wear a crutch. It would be funny, wouldn't it? A budgie on a stick. Imagine all the people laughing till they're sick. So that's my Budgie Jeffrey. Fat and yellow too. I love him more than Daddy. And I'm only 32.
The end.